This is now 13 to 14 yards, 50 meters pressure. Come on, one. So 15 years and over men, 50 meters backstroke. One, Cyril Jerome from Silva. Two, Musanze Christopher from Silva.
Okuba kwe kumuku kumizanyo ekikyali wansi mu Uganda ekitafuubiddwako kati ffe twakuwa omukisa tusobole okulaba nga tudevelopinga talent mu baana okubayambako okulaba nga bafuna ebintu ebiyinzaawo okubatwala mu maaso naye nga disciplines bazijje mu kuwuga.
Competition has been interesting and fun at the same time. We have learned what new strategies we should do in the next competitions. Next is to improve the times and make sure I can also qualify for events that are out of Uganda and also win there. So it doesn't only stop in Uganda but in the other countries.